Everybody. In this video, we're replacing the keyboard in Toshiba Satellite L755-S5246 laptop. So this laptop, I want to say dates from around 2010, that time period. Belongs to my next door neighbor. And we're replacing the keyboard because at some point in recent years they spilt coffee or water or something on it, and well, you know how that goes. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take out this battery, since we have an external battery on this laptop. Replacement battery pack. Couldn't remember for sure if it was original or not. So next there is a little screw right here. It's not labeled or anything. It doesn't say keyboard next to it like a lot of times you'll see with laptops. But it's not even labeled. Just go ahead and take this one screw out. And now we'll go ahead and open up the laptop. And next we're going to go and take off this bezel here, which can be a little tricky to get off sometimes. Sometimes you get lucky and it comes right out, other times not so much. So that's now out. Set that to the side. We have 4 screws that come out next. And the keyboard should lift out. Slide it this way and it releases. And there's a cable under here that we have to take out. Pull this ribbon out. The good news is that I'm not seeing hardly any drink or water damage in here. That's good. So whatever they spilt on this laptop, luckily did not make it to the motherboard. Otherwise that most likely would have killed this machine. So now we'll go ahead and attach the ribbon for the replacement keyboard. Now again, this keyboard here was pulled from a system I scrapped some time ago. These Toshibas do not have the best reputation, so I ended up having quite a few of these things come in either dead or no longer really worth fixing due to the severity of the issue. So I had this keyboard already on hand, but if I remember, I'll look on Amazon and get a replacement keyboard link in case you're looking for one. So we're going to make sure that, of course, that ribbon is in there good. So we want to double check there. We'll go ahead and do the reverse procedure of taking it out. Okay, so when we put this in, we want to make sure that this entire thing lines up with the tracks. And all the tabs get seated into place. I had to press down on the edges. You can see it didn't quite go in. Okay, I think we're good this time. So now it's just a matter of doing the procedure in reverse. And pop the trim piece back on there. Okay, we're going to flip this back over. We're going to put our screw back in. We're going to reinstall our battery. Now currently we don't have an operating system on here, so we can't really do a keyboard test on video, but we can try accessing the BIOS utility. Keyboard does work. Here we are, enter setup. So our arrow keys are working. And so we can't do a full test of the keyboard here in the BIOS utility, but I mean, we can see that the arrow keys and stuff are working. So I'll test this out once I get Windows back on here. But anyways, okay, I had to press down firmly on the side here because one of the snaps wasn't fully engaged on the keyboard, but now it's fully seated on both sides. That's just something you gotta look out for on these things. That is changing out the keyboard on this Toshiba Satellite system. So of course there's the setup utility. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Cuckoo channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified of new video posts. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.